Fast patch repair kits are the simplest and most cost-effective way to repair damaged rubber playground surfaces. The rubber and binder contained in every fast patch repair kit is pre-measured to meet industry standards. If you use too much binder, the surface will become too hard to absorb the energy generated by a fall, and if you use too little binder, the surface will lose the intended integrity and fall apart. Each fast patch repair kit is designed to be mixed and used once. Each fast patch kit covers 6 square feet at 1/2 inch. Each fast patch XL covers 12 square feet at 1/2 inch, and the base layer covers 4 square feet at 2 inches. The fast patch binder used is moisture cured, meaning water and humidity act as the catalyst to set the binder. Do not apply fast patch if the surface is wet or rain is anticipated in the next 12 hours. If you do, the binder will foam up and the repair will need to be done again. Here's a list of the tools and supplies needed. Utility knife with extra blades, rubber or latex gloves, straight edge, leaf blower or broom, 18 to 24 inch finishing trowel, small can of mineral spirits, shop rags, chalk. Step 1. Chalk the outline of the damaged areas to be repaired. Many professional contractors will cut out the damaged area as a design, such as a star or circle, which gives the surface a customized appearance. Step 2. Use the utility knife to remove the damaged rubber surface, changing blades when they get dull. Step 3. Use the leaf blower or broom to clean the area. Step 4. Open the box of fast patch and remove the jar of binder, tongue depressor, instructions, and any other collateral material. Step 5. Wearing the rubber or latex gloves, open the jar of binder and add directly to the rubber in the plastic bag. Note that the fast patch regular and base layer repair kits contain only 1 jar, while the XL repair kits have 2 jars. Step 6. Tie the top of the bag together and mix the binder and rubber together by kneading and rolling the bag. Step 7. Pour the mixed slurry fast patch into the cutout area and smooth out with the finishing trowel. If the mixture becomes too sticky to smooth out, apply some mineral spirits to the rag and wipe the bottom of the trowel. The mineral spirits acts as a lubricant. Step 8. Once the damaged area is smoothed out, clean the trowel blade with the mineral spirits and rag, then dispose in the plastic mix bag. Please dispose of the waste properly. Step 9. Let dry and cure overnight. To prevent further deterioration to the rubber playground surface, we highly recommend coating the entire surface with Maxclear H2o. Maxclear H2o is an advanced water-based coating that stops surface granulation and rebinds the rubber granules together. Maxclear H2o Playground Surface Conditioner is ready to apply from the pail and extend the life of rubber playground surfaces, making faded colors bright again. And because Maxclear H2o is water-based, cleanup is easy with soap and water, and once opened, containers can be stored for up to 2 years. Maxclear H2o dries incredibly fast so kids can get back to playing.